Asset classification and the effect of IFRS adoption. This course is really interesting and it is very important as well, because accounting policies will change the effects of the figures. So when we are a regulator or we are a monetary body, it's very important for us to see the different outcomes of different kind of accounting standards. That's why we build up standards. In US we have US GAAPs, and in rest of the world we are using IFRS. IFRS 9, IFRS 7, 32, 38, these are all we will discuss in detail. We will see what is a financial asset, what is a financial derivative, and from a regulator point of view we'll see that how to adopt, how to classify, how to display, how to monitor these financial assets and financial liabilities. We will see the working of capital markets. We will link it with the asset allocation. We'll see that what are the type of assets that we build up: short-term, long-term, current, non-current. And most important part of this course is the Basel Committee for banking supervision. We'll see that what are their requirements, how much provision we have to create in order to comply with the Basel Committee regulations. This course is really useful. It will be for those people who are into monetary controlling compliances, regulatory compliances, and they are working with central bank and monetary or fiscal policy makers. All are the target audience for this kind of course.